Network cable, Cat6. A Category 6 cable, Cat6 cable, is the sixth generation of twisted pair Ethernet cabling that is used in home and business networks. Cat6 cables are the go-to choice for high-speed data transfer, supporting rates of up to 1 gigabit. They're perfect for quick file sharing and are compatible with various networks. There are two types of Cat6 cables, each with different frequency and distance usage. An enhanced version of Cat6, called Cat6a, supports up to 10 Gbps speeds at greater distances. The ends of a Cat6 cable use the same RJ45 standard connector as previous generations of Ethernet cables. Shielded cables are more expensive than their unshielded counterparts. Cat6 cables are designed for operating frequencies up to 250 Ms, compared to 100 Ms for Cat5. The Cat6 cable is supported by Ethernet networks, including 10 base T, 100 base TX, 1000 base T, and 10 G base T,